We have seen different alternatives to retire assets, and of course now we want to see the consequence of a retirement by scrapping. So let's open the general reporting, of course, and we will use the asset values to analyze. Let's just enter the ID, and also for the asset, of course, and just enter in our keyboard to query the values. So well, again, the starting point is really similar because we also posted the acquisition for this asset in the previous year, and actually we used the same amount. We can just check that quickly here in 2020, in which we posted for 120,000, and it was just the first day of the previous year. So we had a full depreciation for 15,000. We know that very similar to the other assets. So if we check now 2021, the just depreciation for this was for this year was 7,500. So we have this accumulated depreciation of 22,500 at the time of the retirement, at the moment of the retirement. So at the bottom here in the transactions, we can have a look at this data. But first, let's just recap. This is the transaction type. It's 200 because was just different. It's just a retirement without revenue, different from the 210 that we had as retirement with revenue. But what's important here also is the loss, because as you can see, the loss is for the full 97,500, which is the book value. Because, well, when we have this situation in which, as we said, there was maybe an accident or something happened, and we can definitely no longer use that particular asset, then we cannot just get any money back, and it's just a complete loss. So, well, of course, and the similar thing is that the master record should be deactivated. Let's see just that. So yes, the activation happened today. So that's correct. As we have been saying, that also means that no more depreciation, of course. For example, when we run the depreciation as a period and closing activity. So well, everything is correct, and we now know the different consequences of just the alternatives to retire, and we can just quit this app, of course. And with this we are finishing this one, but just please keep learning with all of our trainings.